Is Newton reliable on Reddit? Intro. Hook, ever scrolled through Reddit, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information? Ever wondered if the advice you find there is actually reliable? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of Reddit, specifically the highly discussed subreddit, r/Newton. Is Newton a trustworthy source for your academic questions? Let's find out. Section 1, Understanding Newton. What is Newton? Newton is a subreddit dedicated to providing academic assistance. It's a place where students can ask questions, get help with assignments, and discuss various academic topics. But is it a reliable source of information? The rules and guidelines. To ensure a quality community, Newton has strict rules and guidelines. Let's explore these rules and see how they contribute to the reliability of the subreddit. The moderation team. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team of moderators works tirelessly to maintain order and ensure that the content on Newton is relevant and helpful. Let's discuss the role of moderators in maintaining the subreddit's credibility. Section 2, The Pros of Newton. Accessibility and convenience. One of the biggest advantages of Newton is its accessibility. It's a convenient platform where students can get help anytime, anywhere. Let's discuss how this accessibility can benefit students. Diverse expertise. Newton is home to students from various academic backgrounds, offering a wide range of expertise. This diversity can be a valuable resource for students seeking help on different topics. Community support. The Newton community is often supportive and encouraging. Let's explore how the positive atmosphere of the subreddit can contribute to a positive learning experience. Section 3, The Cons of Newton. The risk of plagiarism. One of the main concerns about using Newton is the risk of plagiarism. Let's discuss how to avoid plagiarism when using the subreddit. Quality variation. While Newton has many helpful users, the quality of answers can vary. Let's explore factors that can influence the quality of the help you receive. The potential for misinformation. Like any online community, Newton is not immune to misinformation. Let's discuss how to identify and avoid inaccurate information. Section 4, Tips for using Newton effectively. Ask clear and specific questions. To get the best possible answers, it's important to ask clear and specific questions. Let's discuss tips for formulating effective questions. Verify information. Always verify the information you find on Newton. Let's discuss ways to check the accuracy of answers. Be respectful and helpful. Contribute to a positive community by being respectful and helpful to others. Let's discuss the importance of maintaining a positive atmosphere on Newton. Section 5, Alternatives to Newton. Other Reddit subreddits. If Newton doesn't meet your needs, there are other Reddit subreddits dedicated to academic assistance. Let's explore some of these alternatives. Online tutoring platforms. For personalized tutoring, consider online tutoring platforms. Let's discuss some popular options. University resources. Don't forget about the resources available at your university. Let's discuss how to utilize these resources effectively. Conclusion. Recap. So, is Newton reliable on Reddit? The answer is both yes and no. While it can be a valuable resource for academic assistance, it's important to use it with caution. By following our tips and being aware of the potential pitfalls, you can maximize the benefits of Newton and avoid the drawbacks. Call to action. If you're a student looking for academic help, consider trying Newton. But remember to use it wisely and always verify the information you find. And if you have any other questions about Newton or online learning, feel free to leave a comment below. Closing with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.